These types of DIY craft videos are going absolutely insane across social media right now. And at first glance, nobody can even tell these videos are made with AI. Seriously, they look that real. And the best part, you can create this entire style of video using just one master prompt. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos like these without spending a single dollar. Yep, completely free. All right, let's get into it. First, I designed this master prompt for you guys, and you'll find the link in the pinned comment below. Go ahead and copy the entire master prompt carefully, then open Claude AI. Once you're inside, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. In just a few seconds, Claude AI will ask you to choose from a list of DIY video ideas. Read through each idea carefully, and if you don't like any of them, don't overthink it. Just type more into the prompt box, hit send again, and just like that, Claude instantly generates another fresh batch of ideas. It's basically an endless DIY idea machine. Alright, for this tutorial, I'm going with idea number 20, so I simply type 20 into the prompt box and hit send. And boom, as you can see, Claude AI gives us an incredibly detailed video prompt. It literally does all the hard thinking for you, which honestly saves a ridiculous amount of time. Once you have the prompt, copy the entire thing and open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to video generation mode. Choose your preferred aspect ratio, select the Omni Flash video model, then paste the entire video prompt into the prompt box and hit generate. Now just wait about a minute. And as you can see, our video is ready. Take a look at this. The video looks incredibly realistic, smooth, and satisfying. It even generates a built-in voiceover so you don't have to record your own voice or add one manually. That's one less thing to worry about. Now, simply download the video in the highest resolution available. And by following this exact same process, you can create countless variations of viral DIY videos in almost any style you can imagine. So that's the complete workflow. If you're looking for brand new AI niches that are still unsaturated before everyone else jumps on them, make sure to check out my channel. I regularly share underrated AI niches with huge viral potential. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Zentra so you never miss the next viral AI opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.